Hello guys, welcome to the Audible Talents tutorial on how to set up an Upwork account. Before you set up an Upwork account, ensure that you have some of these things in place. Ensure that you have your email open, and your email must be a fresh email, preferably Gmail account. Ensure that you also have a smooth and beautiful profile picture, something like this here showing on the screen that shows professionality. Also ensure that you have all your work experience and your educational information background listed somewhere so that you can easily impute it. So firstly, you click on sign up just at the top right of your screen, and it will bring you directly to this place. So after you've done that, you have two options here. One of them is to sign up as a client hiring for a project, and the other one is to sign up as a freelancer. So you go in for a freelancer, then you apply. Immediately you apply, you'll be asked to put your name or sign up with Google. Continuing with Google is the best option. So immediately you sign up with Google, it will bring you here. So the next thing you will do is to click that you understand the Upwork terms and policy, and then you create your account. So immediately you begin to show you your location. There will be no need to change your location, so you have to leave it at Nigeria, and then you create account. Click on create my account, and then it will load. Your account has been created successfully, so it will redirect you to a place where you have to enter everything that you need to enter. So here it says, hey Jojorami, ready for the next big opportunity. So this is going to take 5 to 10 minutes. So don't worry, even if you make mistakes, you can always edit this. Please don't worry. Don't be anxious or have any kind of anxiety as you fill in this. You just need to settle down. So the next thing is get started. So immediately you hit on get started, it will bring you to a place where they'll ask you a few questions that Upwork wants to know how to set up your account. So the first one is, I'm brand new to this, I have no experience, I am an expert. So if you have freelanced before, you can put that you have some experience. If you are an expert in freelancing before, you can put that you're an expert, but it depends. So I'm going to just hit that I'm brand new to this, so it will take me to the next place. So you can actually skip this if you want to, but this is also helpful so that Upwork would know what and how they can assist you. Now, what is your biggest goal for freelancing? You also be asked this question. What is your biggest goal to freelancing? To make money, to earn your main income, to make money, to get experience for full-time job and stuff. So let's just click to make money on site, and then to take to the next. And how would you like to work? How would you like to find? How would you like to work? How would you like to find opportunity? I would like to find opportunity myself. I would like to package up my work for clients to buy. So each whatever you choose here, Upwork is going to start referring you to the place that you would, but you may want to choose the two of them, because so that you can be able to use the project catalog and the marketplace. So there's a talent marketplace. This is talent marketplace, so you can find opportunity, and this is a the project catalog area when you can actually package your work and clients can buy them. So the two of them are very important. Please don't click only one. Two of them are good. Let's go to the next profile. So here you'll be asked to talk about yourself in the next 5 to 10 minutes. So either you import your profile from LinkedIn, or you upload a resume, or you fill it out manually. Filling it out manually will take 15 minutes. So I would advise that you take this and fill it out manually. Now, the first part of this filling it out manually, it will take you to where you describe your professional role. This place is very, very important. This is the first thing that clients see when they want to hire you. So you have to take your time to structure it. For instance, you might want to just tell the client to just define your title. Define your title. There's no mincing words. Just define who you are, like the heading. So you can see here we already have software engineer, JavaScript, and iOS. It's just the title of what the person is doing. So for instance, if I'm an admin, if I'm an administrator, I'll just put admin here. I'll put admin. I want to put this slash here, admin, customer service, and probably virtual assistant. So this defines you, this defines who you are, this defines what you do. So the title is straightforward, and then the next thing you do is to go to the next part. The next part is to add your work experience. So like I told you, get your work experience ready. So you might want to just talk about the title of the place you worked. Let's say you worked as a pharmacist, right? And then you worked in company, you worked in Microsoft. I know Microsoft and pharmacy doesn't work, but I'm just trying to. And then the location is Lagos, for instance, Nigeria. So you can set the date of where you work and how long you worked there. If you are currently working there, you can just click there, you're currently working there. But if you're not, you can just set the year you worked there and when you stopped working there. See, so, and you can save it. So I'll just put something, anything. It doesn't really matter here, so I'll just put it. Okay, it doesn't matter because I put 2022 here. So it's 1 year. Pharmacist, micro technology, blah. So one secret that you have to know to make your profile 100% complete is that you need to add as many as possible wherever you see the need to add. So you can add to education here, to work experience here, and then in your education, for the record, there's nothing like anything that is below BSc. It's from BSc, so you cannot add secondary school, you can add primary school, so you have to start from BSc. So let's say you got your BSc from University of Ibadan. So University of Ibadan is here, and then you have the BSc in let's say political science or something. So you have to check bachelor's. So bachelor's of what? So you can see there are different bachelors here, Bachelor of So it depends on what you want to put here, so you check what are some, let's say, Bachelor of Accounting, and then the field of study. Well, so maybe you include accounting as a field of study, or maybe advertising, I don't know, so whatever, but make sure that everything aligns and you include it. You can add more than one education here, and then you go ahead and add your languages. So for languages, there's something that's called proficiency level. So if you can write clearly, you write this language, if you can just write the language only, it means that it's basic. If you can write and speak clearly, it means that it's conversational. And if you can write and speak this language at a high level, it means that you are fluent in it. And then I think there's another one called native. Okay, native. I write and speak this language perfectly. So for instance, if you write and speak English perfectly, then you are a native of it. Then the other languages, you can add Yoruba, you can add Igbo, you can add any language at all that is even indigenous to Nigerian people. You can add Hausa. So it's just for you to add your proficiency level, and then go. So don't make the mistake of leaving out any of your skill. All your skills are important. So you might not know what clients are looking for, so they want to actually sign you. They actually want to hire you because maybe you know how to speak Hausa or you know how to speak Yoruba. So be careful. Always make sure that you put everything that you know. So here is where we add the skill tags. Now, what are skill tags for? Look at what they said here. They said Upwork upgrading will recommend specific job posts to you based on your skill. So choose them carefully to get the best match. So you have up to 15 skills here maximum that you can include. So you need to be careful when you are putting this. If you put something that is not in your skill, Upwork will be showing you jobs that are not in your skill. So you have to put in things that are in your skill. For instance, you see you are a virtual assistant. You need to put things that are related to visual assistance. For instance, so you can put visual assistance first, and you can put customer service. For instance, if customer service is part of the skill you have as a, so you can impute all of them one after the other. You can even put Microsoft Word as part of the skill. Microsoft Word. But the more sophisticated your skill is, the more you are most likely to get a job or get somebody to hire you. And then the next thing will be to write your overview. This is where you talk about what you do in very brief. Now look at what they said here. Help people to get to know you at a glance, what you are best at. Tell them clearly using paragraphs or bullet points. You can always edit later, just to make sure you proofread now. So just write what you are doing, but write it in a very attractive way so that whenever clients read what you have there, they will have a clear understanding of what you do. So for instance, this guy says, I am a developer with experience in building websites for small and medium sized businesses. Whether you are trying to win job, list your services, or even create a whole online store, I can help. You see, very simple. And then he now went ahead to specify his skills. I'm experienced in HMTL. I'll fully project manage your brief from start to finish. So he even listed his soft skill. Your soft skill here in this instance is maybe things that are not related to your core skill. Like one of the things that are your soft skill is communication. Is one of them. Punctuality, high and response time, all these things. These are your soft skills. So list everything here, but make it very, very constructive in a way that people can actually read. So you can start with talking about your top skill here. You can see they already give you a preview. Top skill, your experiences, and your interests. This is one of the first things clients will see on your profile. So when you apply for jobs, the first thing that clients will look at is these things. What they will come to your profile and say, and look at who is talking. So once you don't get it done, it wouldn't work. So for the sake of moving forward, to copy this guy and paste it here so that we can move forward. But don't copy this. You have to take out time to write what you should write. If you need help in order to craft this, you can also reach out to myself or Upwork to help in this. So here they are asked, what are the main services you offer? What are the main services? This is where you now choose your department. So if you're a visual assistant, you put it. Then visual assistant is under admin support. So you see, you can add all these things here, because these are the main things that you offer. And then the next thing would be to add your hourly rate. Now, before you do this, you may want to look at the industry rates. You just go to Upwork and check. You can even add whatever you think you're worth right now, but you still have time to change it anytime. But before you start searching, before you start actually creating your profile, you have to add all these things. You have to make sure that you know what your industry rate is, as in people in your niche, what they actually charge before you start adding these things. So you cannot add anything less than $3 or anything more than $999. So you may want to start with something like $50, or as a start at $10. Upwork will take 10%. This is why it is -1%, -$1, and then you will have $9. So check out your pricing strategy. See whether what you are offering is better than what others are offering, and don't always think about selling yourself short, because it will not help you to grow. Just write what you are worth and stick to it. You can even strategize to also bring your price down so that people will want to use your service, and then later you can put your price up. It depends on the strategy that you want to use. And then finally, this is why I told you must bring a good photo. You must upload a very, very good photo. So you must put a photo that is very attractive. So let's assume that we have put a photo. The image is required. They will see ask me to put the photo. So once I put this photo, it means that my profile has been created. So and I don't want to create this profile actually. So this is the last place. After here, they will ask you to check your profile, to check that everything is okay. And then once everything is okay, you can now submit your profile. So once you create your profile, you can reach out to us to look at your profile and help you to complete it, because after you have put in all these things, you still need to make sure that your profile is 100% complete. So you can reach out to us and we'll teach you how to make your profile 100% complete. I hope that this is going to help you, and I hope that you would actually be successful in creating this. Please, whenever you are putting your picture, make sure you take a professional picture in a noiseless background, in a background that is plain or white, and then there's no too much makeup as a lady, or so much on seriousness as a man. So you just put something very, very professional, and it must be high quality so that clients can actually see your face.